Everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to customize your chat playbooks or your welcome messages to show up only on mobile or to not show up on mobile. Now, there's a couple different ways or reasons that you'd want this to happen. One is that the user intent can be quite different when viewing a page on a mobile device versus the desktop. For instance, people can typically be further down in the buying process when on mobile devices, and depending on the page, those interactions could be much more valuable in regards to getting to a live support rep. So maybe you have people who you want to go through and qualify when they're on a desktop device, but maybe if someone's looking at something on mobile, you want to custom cater the playbook that would show up on that device. Now, what you can do is you can create those conditions right from within Drift. And if you have a successful playbook that you're looking to modify and change just on mobile, what you should do is first clone that playbook that's working well. And then, of course, you'd want to add the conditions so that it shows up on mobile or doesn't, whatever your preference. And so how you would do that is you would clone the playbook, and then you would go over to the display conditions and targeting. Now, in this example, we have a URL query param as an example. What I'm going to do is just add a condition here. So once you get to the condition, you're going to choose website behavior, and you're going to scroll down and you'll see device right here. When you click device, you have the option for mobile, tablet, or desktop. And so what you can do is if you don't want to show something on mobile, you can literally click is not mobile and then click close. And what that's going to do for this example, it will show up with this UTM term. And then of course, device is not mobile. This would make it so that it, of course, would not show up on mobile. Now, you can also clone this and do the same thing on tablet, for instance, if you would like or prefer to do that as well. It really just depends on what you need. Now, in a lot of cases, in my experience, you're going to want to make a live person more available when someone's on a mobile device, because there's much more of an opportunity to be one-on-one with an individual there, while desktop is going to be, in a lot of cases when people are doing some high-level research, mobile tends, depending on your business, to be a much more motivated or the right person to have a conversation with. So test it out, let me know what you think, and be happy to hear back how it works for you. But if you have any other questions about conversational marketing or Drift, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at RemingtonBeg or in the comments below. If you would like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. If you'd like to subscribe to our daily tutorial videos, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.